All right, example 3. We're going to use this table to make a segmented bar graph. Segmented bar graph just means that I'm going to have two pieces of information graphed on the same one. Okay, you're going to split a bar into two separate groups. So what we need to do is have some kind of color scheme. So if I do a key, I'm going to have one box that's unshaded and the other box is going to be shaded. And I'm going to say that this is for teenagers and this is for adults. Okay, so along the bottom, I'm going to put my yes and my no. And the highest number I'd have to go up to for a total, if I'm totaling my yes and no's, I'd have to go up to 274 total. So I'm just going to estimate, and I'm just going to count by 50s, because it doesn't have to be perfect. We just kind of have to get an idea. And I spaced this out kind of poorly. Okay. So if I look at the teens that say yes, that's 90. So I'm going to go yes and up to 90, and that's going to be an empty box. Now, this was 90, so sometimes you'll see that they'll put a total in that box. Adults is 184. So it's 184 on top of the 90. So from here, if I add it, I have to get up to 274 total. So it's going to go somewhere about here. And I'm going to shade this in. And I'm going to say that's 184. Okay, so now together my two boxes go up to 274. Okay, for the next one, my teenager is 62. So now I know I'm just going to go a little bit higher than the 50. Put a 62 in this box. The adults are supposed to be 16. It only goes up to a total of 78. So on my graph, if I estimate, maybe this is about 78. So I'm going to put 16 in this box, and I'm going to shade it in lightly. Okay, I want to put some titles on here. So this is traveled on a plane over here, and then this is just the frequency over here. Okay, it's really important that you include a key so you know what each bar represents.